How to add tickets to Wallet Ticketmaster. Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna guide you that how to add tickets to Wallet Ticketmaster. So let's dive in. First, open your Chrome browsers and here you have to search for ticketmaster.com, and now you have to just open the artist that you want tickets for. You can use the search bar by clicking over here and search for the ticket of your choice, and then you have to just choose a ticket by clicking this arrow. Once you choose a ticket, you can see it's going to load this page for you. Now you simply have to just purchase the tickets over here, and you can just choose a ticket over here, right over here, click next, and now it's going to bring you to the availability page and where you can just pay that subtotal. And now you have to just simply go to your wallet. Here you can see you have the wallet in your iPhones. Just go to the Apple Wallet on your iPhones. You have to simply go to the wallet, and here you can see you have this plus sign in the top right corner. Click it and it's going to load. Now you can see to add cards, keys, tickets and passes to wallet, you have to look for the add to wallet button in apps and emails and websites. So simply on the website you have to just search for the add to wallet button in the site, and then you can just click it, and that's the process that you can follow to add tickets to Wallet Ticketmaster. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.